On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong took one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. But what if that iconic moment never actually happened? What if the entire Apollo 11 moon landing was an elaborate hoax? Today, we're diving deep into the most persistent conspiracy theories surrounding the moon landing. Theories that claim NASA faked it all. From suspicious photos to missing evidence, we'll examine every angle. By the end, you decide, was it the greatest achievement in human history or the greatest deception? The flag-waving mystery. One of the most famous arguments. How could the flag be waving if there's no wind on the moon? Conspiracy theorists say this proves the footage was shot on a soundstage. NASA's explanation? The flag had a horizontal rod to keep it extended, and the movement came from astronauts adjusting it. But skeptics aren't convinced. Why does it look like it's fluttering in a breeze? Some claim the flag's movement matches what would happen in a controlled environment, like a hidden fan on a film set. Others argue it's just physics. The flag kept moving because there's no air resistance to stop it. What do you think? The missing stars. Another red flag for skeptics. Where are the stars? In every Apollo photo, the sky is pitch black, with no stars visible. On Earth, stars are everywhere, so why not on the moon? Conspiracy theorists say this proves the landing was filmed in a studio with a black backdrop. NASA's response. The lunar surface was brightly lit by the sun, and the cameras were set for daylight exposure. Stars are too faint to appear in those conditions. But if that's true, why can we see stars in Earth's daytime sky during a solar eclipse? The Sea Rock scandal. Then there's the infamous Sea Rock. In one Apollo 16 photo, a rock appears to have the letter C etched on it. Conspiracy theorists say this was a prop marker, accidentally left in frame by sloppy studio crew. NASA claims it's just a hair or scratch on the film. But why does it look so perfectly placed? Some say it's undeniable proof of a staged set. Others argue it's a classic case of pareidolia, seeing patterns where none exist. What's your take? The vanishing crosshairs. Here's another oddity. In some moon photos, the camera's crosshairs appear behind objects, like they were added later. Conspiracy theorists say this is evidence of photo editing, like someone forgot to layer the crosshairs correctly in post-production. NASA says bright objects simply bleached out the crosshairs. But if that's the case, why do some crosshairs disappear perfectly behind rocks? Coincidence or cover-up? Kubrick's confession. Perhaps the wildest theory, that Stanley Kubrick, director of 2001, A Space Odyssey, helped fake the moon landing. Some claim he was hired by NASA to film it in a studio. The evidence? His wife's cryptic comments, the eerie accuracy of 2001's space scenes, and a mock confession video later debunked. Could Kubrick have pulled it off? Maybe. But why risk his legacy? And why would thousands of NASA employees stay silent for 50-plus years? The radiation problem. Here's a scientific hurdle. The Van Allen belts, deadly radiation zones around Earth. Conspiracy theorists say no astronaut could have survived the trip. NASA insists the Apollo crew passed through quickly, minimizing exposure. But some scientists still debate whether the shielding was enough. Was NASA reckless or lying? The ultimate question. So, did we really land on the moon? The official record says yes. The conspiracy theories say no. But here's the thing. If it was faked, it would have required thousands of people to keep the secret. Something history says is nearly impossible. Maybe the truth isn't in the shadows, but in the science. Or maybe we've all been fooled. What do you believe? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into history's biggest mysteries.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the next mind-bending theory. Thanks for watching, and remember, reality might be stranger than you think. See you in the next video.